First, equip to your clip, then press duplicate, then press on overlay, and then drag your clip under. Press on the overlay and go to splice, then press soft. Then go to transform and press on mirror once and press on rotate twice. Press on your character overlay and drag it down however you want it to be. Go to mask and press on horizontal, then adjust it to your liking. Now a tutorial for a glossy effect. Go to adjust, then press on graphs. Then put dots on the line, then adjust to your liking or do how I do it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you need any more tutorials, you can request them down in the comments. Bye!